Hello viewers, today I will show you to make wonderful top like this. I have folded this material, it is 1.5 meter. Again I am folding it in this way. So now I am marking shoulder 7.5. So for armhole 7 inch you have to mark. Here I have taken 11 inch. So for the armhole from this corner you have to mark 1. Now you have to join it. Half body I have taken 14 inch. From here I am marking 10. Now full length of the top 21 I want. So extra 1 inch I am taking. So total 22 inch I am marking over here. Then you have to join this. Again you have to join those points. After that you have to cut the material. Now for the neck I am taking 3 inch and deepness I am taking 5. This is for the front neck. You can draw the square for this. Like this you have to draw. This is for the back neck. 2 inch deep neck I am taking. Now I am removing this one part. Now for the front neck I am marking 3 inch and from here extra 2 inch I am marking like this. So now I am cutting it into the half curve shape, and from here I will put the cut like this. So this is the front piece and this one is the back piece. Cut the lining material. So I have already folded this. Again I am folding it. So this is 1.5 meter approximately. So in this way you have to place the front material, and here I am marking the 2 inch for the back neck. In this way you have to draw the curve. This is for the front. Armhole I am marking here, and also the side piece. Then you have to cut it down. So here half inch shoulder I am cutting. Like this you have to cut. It is for perfect shape. So this part is also ready. So this is for the front part. In the same manner you have to cut the lining also. As you can see, the total length of the lining material is 16 inch and I want it as 21 inch. So you can use 2 meter material. Here I am using extra this part. Here I will put a stitch. This fabric I am using for the sleeves. I have taken 20.5 inch for the length as well as for the breadth. So I am double folding it in this way. Again I am folding it. So from here I will mark 10.5. You have to keep that middle point perfectly, and then you have to go on marking. Okay, so this is done. Armhole measurement is 15.5 inch. So you have to take the half of that like this. Again you have to fold the tape in this way. And then you will get approximately 4 inch. You have to place it, and then you have to draw the curve. So from that line, half inch away you have to cut in this way. So these both sleeves are ready now. While sewing, you have to place that holes on your armhole, and then you have to directly put a stitch. I want a neck of this pattern. So for that I will need 17-inch strip like this, and the breadth of this strip is 3 inch. I need one cross strip for the neck. So this strip I am cutting. It is of 20-inch length and 3-inch broad. So here I am joining the lining. In the same manner you can join the other piece. So now I will do the neck part. Here I will put a stitch. So you have to place it nicely, one above the other. As you can see, it is a V shape, but you have to stitch in a curve shape, that is U shape you have to stitch. So this is perfectly done now. Now after that you have to put cut like this. Neatly you have to do that. After turning I got this part. So this is done. So now I will put a stitch on the shoulder. So all these 4 layers you have to join. On other side also you have to do the same thing. So the both sides are ready now. So after turning you will get something like this. So this is the 17-inch strip for the neck. So for the better understanding I have placed this picture. So now I will join that strip. So this is this cross strip. You have to fold it like this. Nicely you have to place. If you want, you can put the stitch on the 70-inch strip so that it will be on the place perfectly. As you can see, the material is very flowy. So you have to make pleat like this, then you have to place the cross strip on it, then you have to sew. You have to go on doing this. Again you have to make a plate. You have to place the cross strip over there. Then again you have to put the stitch. This procedure you have to do for all over the neck. Lastly, at the end of the neck, you have to fold the cross strip. Extra material you have to cut. And then you have to sew it. To hide the unwanted material, I am folding it in this way, and over there I will put a stitch. All over the neck you have to do the same thing. Lastly, again you have to fold this. Then you have to sew it in this way. So in this way our neck is ready now. I have attached the strip. So nicely we will look it is giving. It is looking like a ruffle. Now I will sew this part. So for that you have to fold the material like this, and above that you have to place the other side, and on that you have to put the stitch. So like this you have to place the material. Then you have to sew it. So the strip is ready. This is the look of the neck. If you want, you can tie it in this way, and it will give very decent and elegant look. Now I am doing the final fitting of the top. So 2 inch I am taking. All over this side I will take 2 inch only. So it will come perfect for medium size. On both the sides you have to do same thing. So this dori is very large, so what I will do, I will again fold it in this manner and I will sew it. So on the both sides I will do that. In this way it will look. Now I will sew the sleeves. So I have placed this sleeve over the armhole, and above that I will put a stitch. So this is done now. So I have attached this sleeve over the armhole. So here you can do the picot or simple stitch you can put. So both the sleeves are ready now. So this is the last end of the top. Over there you have to put a simple stitch. So this is ready now. Cut this extra thread. Now I will do the picot. So simply you have to hold this material very tightly. And then just go on sewing it. So now let's see how this flower is made. So for that you will need square fabric like this. You have to cut this fabric in a curve shape. After doing this, you have to place this fabric over the dori and then you have to put a stitch on that. After doing this, you have to gently pull this out. You have to turn it and then you will get this beautiful. So this beautiful top is ready now. It is giving perfect casual look. The sleeves are perfectly butterfly shape or bell shape. You can pair this top with jeans or trousers and it will give you perfect casual look. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please give big thumbs up and share. Also comment on my video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and to get regular notification, please press the bell icon.